How to contact Tonkeeper wallet customer support team. For that, you need to launch your Tonkeeper wallet, and over here you need to tap on this gear icon in the top right hand corner of the screen. Afterwards, you need to just scroll down where the FAQ option will be started. So you can tap on the FAQ in order to read any of the articles in which you are facing the problem. But in order to contact support, you can either tap on the support option and you will be redirected on their Telegram channel, where you can easily contact with their customer support team. You can even tap on the contact us option in the bottom and you can directly mail them, because it will redirect you in their mail section. If you tap on the Tonkeeper news, you will be redirected in the Telegram, where you can join their Telegram community, where you can get the latest updates and the latest information in their Telegram. So basically, with the help of email address and with the help of Telegram channel, you can easily contact with the Tonkeeper wallet customer support team. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.